Welcome back to another GHI video. Today, you're joined by me, Giorgio, and
Harry.
Hey, that's right, the unstoppable
Hey.
duo.
That's
Today,
right.
keep talking, go on.
So I had an Indian last night. There's a bit of baked potato, curry, a bit of rice, a bit of naan bread on the side. It's quite nice.
Quite done?
Yeah, I'm done now. Yep, there we go. Get into the video. Bang.
Today we're doing the What Happens Next challenge, and there's a punishment.
Wait, what happens next? Wait, what's the punishment? I mean,
I'm glad you asked, Harry. The punishment is the opposition gets to control the other's PC for 30 seconds. That's right.
wow.
Anyways, let's begin.
Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy.
What are you gonna say, Gio?
I'm gonna say A. Child gets trapped under clothes basket. What about you, Harry?
I'm gonna say A. Child gets trapped in the clothes basket.
Oh, how would we ever know?
Go right back. Here we go.
Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy.
Oh, we got it right.
Oh my god.
Is this the Modern Warfare 2? I just like Modern Warfare. Not Modern Warfare 2, but
God knows where this video was made. Okay.
wait, I didn't even see. Wait, what? What's he doing? Is that a panda?
Okay. A. Man breaks window. Man falls into camera window. Cat runs to man and kicks by accident. Or cat pounces on the man's head.
What are you going for?
I'm gonna go for. Ooh. Cat runs into man is kicked by accident as he does some cartwheel or something.
Okay, I'll mix it up. I'll say D. Cat pounces on man's head.
Okie dokie.
Let's see who's right.
Go on, cat. Go flying.
Hey!
Wait, no.
Ah. Not gonna lie, I saw that video as well.
Give me a PC. Give me it now.
Okay, I'll pass you the PC. Wait, I'm picking it up.
Cheers. Buzz it from the left. Oh, it's heavy.
There we go. There we go.
You got Core i7 in there. That's heavy, that one.
i6. Okay.
What's your pin? Your password?
Okay, make sure you blur this out. 4655.
I'm sure that's blah. Yeah, okay. You do know how to cancel after the 30 seconds, yeah? Okay,
Yeah.
we're going in, boys.
Dun, dun.
What's happening? Like,
Have we got a timer going? Okay, what are you doing? No!
crash it!
Were you opening everything? Oh no! Oh no!
I'm gone, see you. How's things over there?
Is it cancelled? I don't.
It's cancelled. I'm just left you.
I've got Minecraft updated. Why don't everything's opening? It's going to take ages to sort this out.
What happens next? You're gonna do the same thing to me as revenge. Don't mess up my video. We need the footage.
Ooh. Okay, let's go.
Carry on. What happens next?
What happens next?
Okay, so barbecue is knocked over by a dog, barbecue explodes, man slips and falls onto barbecue, or flames leap out of barbecue.
Okay, I'm gonna say B. Barbecue explodes.
I'm saying D.
You saying D? I wonder why.
I actually don't know the answers to these, so shut up. No.
Crazy.
That was crazy.
No! No!
I'd like to thank Monster for that answer. Crack open.
Grab over a cold one with the boys. 194. 157. What? 157, and then 106. 106.
What?
106.
Can you turn it off, please?
116.
118. Oh, Ian? Your partner uses a newer version of Would you like to update to you now to establish a connection. Oh,
It's a sign from the gods.
should be done in a second. Oh, my phone stopped recording. That's gonna do it now.
Well, while you're updating,
The
I
light's
can
just
use
gone
the
out
time to give a shout out to Tom Dav Designs for our new channel work and banner and graphics. We both love it. It's some quality stuff, it really is. So you go check out Twitter, which I'll leave a link in the description. Make sure you like and subscribe the video as well.
Oh my god. My phone is literally boiling
Oh my
on.
god.
Going in 3. What is all of this?
What's he doing?
What?
I can't see what you're doing. What? No.
I can't.
20 seconds. 20 seconds. What are you gonna do? Delete. Delete the chat.
It's so slow.
No, what are you doing? No. You can't look at my channel stuff.
Come on. Come on.
You're not deleting it. Don't you even dare.
Shout out.
5, 4, 3.
Come on.
1.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so slow.
Maybe you should think of something quicker to do then.
Okay. Well, get your middle.
What happens next?
What happens next?
Okay.
Okay. A. Man loading cannon is thrown backwards. B. Shell fall out of cannon. C. Cannon explodes. D. Cannon goes off, spinning around and hits it then.
I'm going with A.
It's either A or D, so I'm going with D.
Come on, man.
Come on.
Just die. Fly back.
Come on.
For me. For this
360, let's
video.
go. Ah, shit.
Give it. What was it again?
Yeah, you need the ID again.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. 174.
Oh, what's your password?
1498.
Oh, no need. Oh, wait, what? What's it again?
1498. He's in.
He's in, boys. It's hacking. Start the hacking. Why is it not opening? Where is it? What? Do you have 2 monitors?
Yeah.
Shut up. No, we don't need it. What?
What are you even on? What browser is this?
You won't be logged in, will you?
Logged in.
No.
What are you even looked up here?
Why can't I open your Chrome? You like GTA, yeah? Well, let's see what songs you got in your Spotify.
Wait, 5 seconds. Oh, you've loaded it as well. I was like, bloody hell. I'll let it update.
What happens next?
What happens next?
Okay, A. Fish tries to swallow the man's arm. B. Man slips and falls into water. C. A dog grabs the fish. Or F. A pelican grabs the fish. What are you saying?
Fish tries to swallow the man's arm. Well, them fish aren't cannibals, so yeah. So that's not.
I think they're
right.
dolphins. Dolphins have caused more death
dolphins.
than sharks per year than the average
Yeah.
adult man.
They actually do. I'm gonna say, dog grabs the fish. Why not?
I'm gonna go B, because why not? Wait, what was that? A.
Okay, Nero's got it. Well, that's the,
Oh,
that was the pelican, wasn't it? Yeah.
None of us. We're safe. We're safe.
Okay, what's that? Is that what? Go.
They're so quick.
Another dog one. Dog protects boy from babysitter. Rabbit protects boy from babysitter. Parrot protects boy from babysitter. Cat protects boy from babysitter.
Okay, so which animal protects the baby? The boy. Dogs, they're known to be loyal? I don't think in this case. Cats are the one, I think.
I think parrots. Parrots are a well-known protector. I know a lot of parrot bodyguards out there.
Oh.
So I'm gonna say parrot.
No way.
What's that? What is
It's a
that?
kitty cat.
That's a parrot. That's a parrot.
Oh,
Oh
no,
my God.
you won. Yeah, you get him, parrot. What is this? What was the baby
Here's the parrot.
doing?
Is that a parrot?
That's a cat. Is that another cat? What are you on about?
Oh.
Cat protect. Oh!
My phone stopped recording again. Why did it stop recording?
That was like 2 seconds.
Wait, it's not recording.
No. Are you recording like 1080p?
Yep.
Can I log in straight from there?
Okay. What are you on? Wait, what?
You need to give me your password.
The password is. You're already in. Shut up.
Why can't it open anything? No, seriously.
It's because you're opening it on the other screen. How now? I don't know how long. 30 seconds is.
Come on, you better be logged in. Yes.
No. You can't do this to me. Five seconds.
All your loyal
Ooh.
fans are gonna think I'm gonna feel so bad for you.
All the loyal fans. Oh.
Okay, we have time for one more.
Quick little intermission. Do not take this seriously. I'm not thinking about killing myself.
The man trips shooting the camera. The man gets charged by a deer. The man steps into a deep hole. The man catches a flying bird.
When it says like gets charged, does it mean like charged with murder or some shit?
Yeah, he gets a speeding
Like,
ticket. I think it's gonna act like the plot of The Lion King. You know that movie?
No.
The way the lion falls through the deep hole. You know that famous scene.
Oh yeah, the one with George Clooney.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, absolute classic. I'm gonna say. I mean, he's not gonna catch a flying bird. He's looking around. He sees the deer. He saw the deer. Oh.
What?
What?
You know what, Harry? I'm feeling bad for you. This hasn't been your day today. I'm gonna give you 1 minute
It's never mind.
of free time on my PC.
Ooh.
60 seconds. 1 minute. No, you can't delete a video. That's too fast.
Oh, I know.
You can't
Give me control.
No, you can't.
Give me control.
That's it. Tweet something. Do something else. Don't look at my ad revenue. No.
Exposed.
You're getting so much out of it.
Oh, it's so slow.
You got.
Well, that waits. Dun, 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 dun. 8p, yo. What can we do? What can we do? No.
You're over the minute. I'm just letting you.
Dun, dun,
No, not my PayPal. Oh, beautiful. Are you still there? Hello?
So yeah, it was probably 1927.
Uh-huh.
Alan Shearer's Partridge, and it was yeah.
You know, I've had enough of you.
What's that?
I've had enough of your stuff.
Come on,
Come on, one-on-one.
Come on in.
You are.
Oh.
Okay, that will conclude the end of today's video. Thank you for watching today's GHI video. Latest in the latest news, we got some good stuff coming up soon. Okay, just yeah.
What do we have coming up?
Oh, let's just say, what's that? Did someone whisper merch? Did they? What?
No, indeed.
Make sure you join the SUPREMEME squad, as they like to say it, because of copyright issues and other things like that. Subscribe if you're new around here. Leave a like, and I'll let Harry take it away with his final word for the video.
So, I was looking at.
See you later.
It's about 750.
Yeah, I think this is going to get our most views, this video.